Welcome to Stayf Doodles. I'm Stayf the Groot, a Dutch artist, but you can call me Stayf. I just reached 40,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel, and I want to thank everyone for subscribing to this channel. If you haven't already, subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell, because each time I make a new video you will get a notification. And when you're watching these videos on your iPad, you also have to check your settings that the notification is turned on. Otherwise you won't get a notification on your mobile device like your iPhone or on the iPad. I started making these videos in 2015, and I just started with the basics of drawing, just drawing on paper. And later on, when I started to draw on the iPad, I started the first tutorial series, video series about drawing in Procreate, and that was Procreate 3. And I just kept going and also made some videos about how to do animation in Anime Studio Pro, which is now called Moho. There's now more than 450 videos about, drawing on the iPad or drawing in general. I've made some playlists, and you can find them on my YouTube channel. So if you want to know something about, Procreate, I have the entire Procreate manual from Procreate 4 up until the latest updates of Procreate. Or, you can just watch the review videos I do, or the series of learning from the masters. So if you just tap on the playlist, or, go to my homepage of my YouTube channel, when you scroll down, you can see the different kinds of playlists. So I've been making a lot of different videos on YouTube for the last 6 years, and the views have been dropping dramatically the last year, and maybe it's the algorithm that's changing, or maybe my channel is shadow banned, or I don't make content that you like. But it's sometimes quite discouraging, because I put a lot of effort into making these videos. So I'm still going to make videos on this YouTube channel, and please let me know what kind of videos you want to see, because I make a lot of videos on drawing on the iPad, but I can also make videos about doing animation, and also thinking of making a video series about the history of animation, and then show the different kinds of animations up until this point. But just let me know what kind of videos you would like to see. If you would like to see the video tutorials on Procreate or other iPad drawing apps, or maybe more animation. And I also like making these review videos about a lot of the books I have. So please let me know in the comments down below. I also have some merch out, and this is a hoodie with drawing is fun and practice makes perfect. You can find them under each video. You can buy them at Teespring, and when you buy a product you can also support this YouTube channel, and it will keep me going, making great videos for Stayf Doodles. Drawing is fun and practice makes perfect. See you next time. Doodles!